Snowfall and ice skating, embracing the magic of winter. Winter is a season of enchantment where the world transforms into a pristine wonderland. Among the many joys it offers, snowfall and ice skating stand out as timeless activities that capture the essence of the season. Whether you're skating on a frozen lake or simply enjoying the beauty of falling snow, these experiences create unforgettable memories. The allure of snowfall. Snowfall is nature's way of sprinkling magic over the earth. The sight of snowflakes gently cascading from the sky can transport anyone into a dreamy state. From children building snowmen to adults marveling at the serene landscapes, snowfall brings joy to all ages. Why snowfall is special? It blankets the world in white, creating picturesque sceneries. Snow softens sounds, offering a peaceful and quiet environment. It brings communities together through activities like snowball fights, sledding, and more. For many, snowfall is not just a weather phenomenon. It's an invitation to step outdoors and reconnect with the beauty of nature. The thrill of ice skating. Ice skating is one of the most exhilarating ways to enjoy winter. Whether gliding gracefully across a frozen lake or practicing spins and turns on an ice rink, skating combines fun, fitness, and the magic of winter sports. Why ice skating is a must-try. A unique experience. Gliding on ice offers a sense of freedom and thrill. Accessible to all. From beginners to experts, skating has something for everyone. Great exercise. It improves balance, coordination, and cardiovascular health. The perfect combo, snowfall and ice skating. Imagine skating on a frozen lake with fresh snow falling around you. The combination of snowfall and ice skating creates a surreal experience, blending the thrill of movement with the tranquility of winter. This magical setting is ideal for couples, families, or solo adventurers seeking peace and joy during the colder months. Tips for a safe and fun experience. To make the most of snowfall and ice skating, follow these tips. Dress warmly. Wear layered clothing, gloves, and thick socks to stay cozy. Check the ice. Ensure the ice is safe and thick enough to skate on, especially for natural surfaces like lakes. Use proper gear. Invest in well-fitting skates and consider wearing a helmet for safety. Stay hydrated. The cold can be dehydrating, so keep sipping water or warm drinks. Have fun. Don't worry about falling. It's all part of the learning process. Where to experience the best snowfall and ice skating. Natural frozen lakes. Visit iconic locations like Lake Louise in Canada or Lake Baikal in Russia for unforgettable ice skating adventures. Ice rinks in cities. Many cities set up seasonal outdoor rinks, often decorated with lights and holiday cheer. Mountain resorts. Ski resorts often have dedicated ice skating areas and snowy landscapes. Conclusion. Snowfall and ice skating are more than just winter activities. They are experiences that bring people together, create joy, and celebrate the beauty of the season. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned skater, embrace the magic of winter by stepping into the snow and onto the ice. You'll leave with cherished memories and perhaps a new winter tradition. So, lace up your skates, bundle up in warm clothes, and let the magic of snowfall and ice skating take you on an unforgettable winter adventure. Would you like this article tailored further, or do you need help with something else? Hey.